Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. Let us see what is coming up, guys. That's Eight of Cups, the Hangman, the High Priestess, Page of Pentacles. Cancers, with these cards, the energy is that you are reflecting within yourself. You do not know which way to go. There is some kind of disturbance within yourself. You just want to move away from these emotions, whatever you're feeling in the situation, and you don't know which way to go, guys. Maybe you are getting some information about something, some kind of secrets revealed, some information, some knowledge about this person or the situation that is making you really worried and stressing you, and that is the reason you want to leave all these emotions and go away, but still you are not. You are just hanging in there, trying to decide, trying to understand, but something is coming to an end, guys. Maybe this situation, maybe because of this information, you may get a clear idea what to do, and what is your next step. That may also be the energy here, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be going away to study somewhere abroad. You may be applying for work abroad somewhere very far away, and that may be the reason that you are moving away from this relationship. Or for some of you all, some information about this person or something is coming in that is causing this division between you all, guys. So, or maybe this move for your study or for your work may be the reason that you're moving away from your person, and you are really feeling sad because of that, guys. And you do not want to go away, and you are just you're right on the wall. You do not know which way to jump. So you are just thinking and reflecting within yourself what needs to be your course of action next. So what you need to do, you're just thinking within yourself. So that is the energy with these cards, Cancer. Let us see what is coming up with these cards. What is the energy to give us a better clarity of this situation, guys? Whips, choices, cross, just like these cards also give out the similar energy, guys. Some information is coming your way, some kind of announcement, and you are facing lots of choices today, but you don't have the clear idea which way to go. So you are faced with many choices, many paths to reach. Maybe for some of you all, this may be a time of great emotional growth. Some kind of changes, huge transformations are happening within you, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be seriously taking up some kind of belief, or what to say, you may be following some kind of religious activity, some routine. That may also be the reason that you're moving away from this person. Or for some of you all, it may just be your destiny, guys. So destiny may be the reason for things happening in a particular way in your life, and you are feeling responsible for all the trials and ordeals you face in life, and you feel that is the reason that you are what you are today, after facing so many different situations in your life. But you are getting some important information, guys, today, something really important for you, which will alter your course of action, or which will alter your choices also. That may also be the energy here, guys. So some new message or something from this person or from work that may change the course of action for you all, guys. So that is the energy here. And sometimes for some of you all, you may feel a little bored also. Maybe some kind of routines you're following and you are really feeling bored because of that. So that may also be the energy here, Cancer. And something is definitely coming to an end, guys, after this new information you are getting. So let us see what is the fairies guidance for us today, Cancer. Violet Duchess, stifled, bored and stuck. So with this card, Cancer, the energy is that sometimes we speak and do things just to please others, to please the people in our life. So sometimes we need to stand up for ourselves also, what we feel is right, and we should be free to do what we feel we want to do, guys. So it is not a risk of displeasing others. When we do that, when we truly believe in what we do, and when our actions are based on our true likes, people will start to look up to us, and they will feel inspired also to lead life just like us, to lead life in truth, speaking the truth from our heart, and our actions should speak what we truly feel, what we have to do, guys. So that is the energy with this fairy cards. That is the fairies guidance for today, to stand up for yourself. So that is the reading, Cancer. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.